Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to our channel Servicexpert. Today we are taking a look at some exciting news from the world of supercars. It seems like the Italian state police have just added a new member to their fleet. And it's not your typical police car. No, they haven't gone for BMW or Ford this time. Instead, they have just opted for something little different. So, without further delay, let's get started. Introducing the Lamborghini Urus Performante, the latest addition to the Italian state police fleet. This isn't just another Urus Performante, though this one has been specifically modified for the job. Complete with a blue and white police livery, black accents and glossy black alloys. The changes don't stop at the exterior, though. The cabin has also been revamped for its new role. The rear portion of the car has been fitted with a utility box packed with equipment for various situations, including a message display, service equipment storage, and even a defibrillator. This makes the Urus Performante more than just a police car. It's a mobile life-saving machine. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The Urus Performante retains its powerful twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering 657 bhp and 627 pound-feet of torque. This means that not only will the police be able to respond to emergencies quickly, but they will also be able doing it in very much in style. So, what exactly will this Lamborghini be used for? Well, it will serve as an organ transport and special services vehicle. This means it will be used to transport vital organs for transplant surgeries and for other critical operations. This is the sixth Lamborghini model to join the Italian state police fleet, following in the footsteps of the Hurricane LP610-4, which is also used for organ transportation. The addition of the Urus Performante to the Italian state police fleet is a unique and exciting development. It demonstrates Lamborghini's commitment to social responsibility and their dedication to supporting the community. It's also a reminder that even the most high-performance supercars can be used for good cause. So, what do you think of the Lamborghini Urus Performante as a police car? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. We will catch you in another video. Till then, just drive safe, stay safe.